Hello, hi, my name is Ray. I'm a CEO and co-founder of Nolo. Let me quickly demo some of our amazing Nolo features. If you're tired of dealing with scope of work, manually typing it in, managing multiple communications with contractors, tracking the bids across several spreadsheets, then you came to the right place. Here's Nolo, AI assistant for real estate investors, particularly for flippers and BRRRR investors. We instantly generate scope of work and auto update based on bidding you get, so you never have to check text messages, or manually update spreadsheet. We're here to minimize all the tedious and manual back and forth for the investor so that you can focus on the important stuff. Let me quickly show you how it works. Our first feature is instant generation of scope of work. Let's say you found a distressed home to flip with high potential. You can click add property and write down project name. Just going to call it rate test project. Grab an address that you're interested in. For this one, I'm just grabbing from one of the home that I was looking at, Georgia. And then for document to upload, you can select yes if you already put in an offer and have a home inspection report. So for this purpose, let's just say I have a home inspection report. Here's an example of a home inspection report, standard report. You can see it calls out all the issues on the home. It's about 73 pages. Very lengthy. You don't want to really deal with those. I'm going to upload that inspection report that you just saw. Click submit. Now, what will happen is now you can see that it instantly generated the property information and scope of work is currently being generated behind the scene. Uh, just so you don't have to wait for a couple minutes that it takes for it to generate. I'm just going to look at how it would look once it generates based out of the home inspection report. You can see that when you click on the scope of work tab, you can see that based on how low end, mid end, or high end you want to go for the estimation budget, you can see the price difference. Also, if you scroll down, you can see the detailed view of nice scope of work that has been generated based out of that home inspection report and along with the estimation price of it, right? So depending on how nice you want to go with this, you can use this scope of work to generate the report, send it out to the lender if needed, but also send it out to the contractors to start getting bidding. What's magical about this is that instead of having to read that 70 pages of report and start over to generate the scope of work and write out in a document, it instantly generated as you saw and then work backwards from it. Obviously, you can modify, remove, and add an item to it, but it gives you a great starting point that could have taken 1 hour before down to 10 minutes for you. Another example for you that would be useful is let's say another project, number two, you have, in this case, you don't have any home inspection report to upload. You will simply click no, click submit, and it will do the same thing. It will generate the home details. But this time, what you can do is you can actually submit some rough notes that you wrote down based on, I don't know, looking at floor plan or during the walkthrough. So let me grab a example here. So this is one of the notes I wrote down as I was looking at the floor plan. So here, what I wrote is for floor 2 bathroom, redo the bathtub. For floor 2 living room, install new floors, doors, and trim throughout. For floor 2 kitchen, remove the wall divider between dining area and kitchen and extend the kitchen counter longer by roughly 3 feet. So this is just me conversationally talking to a text and just writing it down. I'll simply click add to work orders, and within about 30 seconds, what you will see, and without you having to wait, I'll just jump over so you can see it. What you will see is this scope of work that's being generated out of it. Now, I think this is a one with the home inspection report. Let me go back to this one. Yeah, so this is the one that is generated based out of the text instructions that you gave. You can see that, oh, for bathroom, replace the bathtub, kitchen, remove the wall divider, and here's a labor fee, installed the interior doors and, trim package. So what it does is just simply from me writing down a rough note that I was just writing down as I was talking, it auto generates the scope of work. So you can simply download. And what download does is it will download two PDF files. First file is a scope of work without that price estimation, just so you can send it out to the contractor. The second scope of work document is with the price, so you can send it to lender or for your own organization purpose. If you don't want to manually send it out to contractor, we actually went further ahead and created this request for bids. You can click this and put in the phone number or the email of the contractor that you want to send this scope of work out to, so that they'll be receiving this message asking, hey, please start bidding on this item and give me the quotes back. So uh, you just witnessed the magical thing that Nolo can do to really just cut down the time that could have taken hours all the way back down to a few minutes. Again, we have a few more exciting features that we're cooking up, such as contractor bidding management. But our goal is to have you not spend any more time having to do any documentations or dig through text messages or documents. And if you're more curious to learn or test it out, feel free to reach out to me by submitting your information at the bottom of this page. Thank you.